Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be creating this background for my Easter wallpaper background that you can use with headings, titles for the Easter season. Today is Easter Monday and I just wanted to keep it simple by showing you how I created from scratch. I do like this kind of pictures or images for stock photography, and this time I did an illustration because they go faster than the regular Easter images, and Easter is all about the resurrection of Christ, and so I think this defines Easter more and is more relatable to people who are looking for religious backgrounds. So then I decided to go with this image, and let me know what you think in the comments down below, and please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So thank you for watching the video if you managed to watch all the way until this part, and I just want to wish you all a happy Easter. I hope you enjoyed your holiday, and I decided to write this out and I thickened the lines, but later on decided to just use my regular font that I use, which is Woody, and so that I can be uniform with the rest of my images. So then thank you for watching again, and I hope you like this video and comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Also, please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.